The role of microbes in space exploration is a topic that explores the potential for using microbes in establishing settlements on other planets. As humans look to expand our reach beyond Earth, the challenge of sustaining ourselves in new environments becomes increasingly important. Microbes, which are tiny organisms such as bacteria, fungi, and algae, could play a critical role in providing the necessary resources for human survival on other planets. In space microbiology, scientists study the unique properties of microbes that have been found in space environments such as the International Space Station and Mars. These organisms are able to survive in extreme conditions, including high levels of radiation, low oxygen levels, and extreme temperatures. Understanding how these microbes are able to thrive in such environments could help us create self-sustaining habitats for human life on other planets. One potential application of microbes in space exploration is in generating food, oxygen, and other resources. For example, some microbes are able to produce oxygen through photosynthesis, while others can break down waste materials to produce nutrients for plants. In addition, microbes can be used to create biofuels, which could be used to power spacecraft and other equipment. However, there are also challenges involved in using microbes in space. One major concern is ensuring their safety and preventing them from contaminating other environments. In addition, maintaining sterile environments in space is extremely difficult, which could make it challenging to control the growth of certain types of microbes. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of using microbes in space exploration are significant. By studying these tiny organisms and harnessing their abilities, humans may be able to establish sustainable colonies on other planets and expand our reach into the cosmos. Here are some additional details about the role of microbes in space exploration. Microbes have been found on the International Space Station, ISS, on the outside of spacecraft, and even on Mars. Scientists have found that some of these microbes are able to survive in space by forming protective coatings, while others can use metabolic pathways that allow them to adapt to extreme conditions. Some microbes could also play a role in terraforming other planets, or making them more habitable for humans. For example, certain types of bacteria can help create soil by breaking down rock, while others can fix nitrogen in the atmosphere, which is an essential nutrient for plants. In addition to creating resources for human survival, microbes could also be used to protect astronauts from harmful radiation and other space hazards. Some types of bacteria are able to repair DNA damage caused by radiation, while others can form biofilms that shield against harmful particles. To study microbes in space, scientists use a variety of tools and techniques, including DNA sequencing, microscopy, and culturing. They also study the microbiomes of astronauts, which are the communities of microbes that live in and on the human body. It's important to note that using microbes in space raises ethical and environmental concerns. For example, introducing microbes to a new environment could have unintended consequences, such as altering the ecosystem or spreading diseases. Scientists must carefully consider these risks and take precautions to prevent contamination and other negative outcomes. Overall, the study of microbes in space is a fascinating and important area of research, with many potential applications for space exploration and human survival beyond Earth.